Let's go from basic to brilliant. Using Super Sync and Quick Dimensional Hair Color. To set up this class, we'll need our Gwen mannequin, Super Sync shades 6cg, 8cg, 7cc, plus 10 volume, Instacure shampoo and conditioner, and the Instacure spray. Super Sync mailers, the new Food for Soft oil, and the new Mega Sleep top coat. For our tray, we'll need gloves, a wide tooth comb, weaving comb, 3 whisks, 3 bowls, 3 brushes, foils, and 2 different colored clips. You'll also need a towel to wipe your hands. This is a quick, uncomplicated application, so go ahead and section your mannequin into 3 sections. Divide the head into left and right from the center front hairline to the crown. Then section from ear to ear to create the back of head. We're going to start today's color application by outlining the back section with Super Sync 6cg and 10 volume in equal parts. Working up the head, we'll take 1-inch horizontal subsections that are parallel to the floor. Apply Super Sync 6cg like a stretched root or shadow root and comb through each section with a wide tooth comb to eliminate any tangles or harsh lines. We can use this technique to create a wide range of looks, and we can also use this technique to create gray coverage with the new in shades. Notice the entire time I base shadow, I never let go of the ends I'm not working on with my non-dominant hand. This protects them from color transfer. Remember, I do, we do, you do. Every few subsections, you can have a learner teach back to you what to do to ensure the content you're delivering is landing. Feel free to ask the learners if anyone wants to get hands-on, because some people only learn through doing. Never assume that our learners know the why behind why our products work. We might ask, can anyone explain to me why we can get gray coverage with Super Sync and not other demis? Everyone watching knows the answer is because Super Sync is alkaline. The point is, we should be getting our hands and hair as soon as possible in class to create visual interest. We can talk about the color while we apply it, which feels more natural and interesting. Let's be honest, there's only so many things you can say about applying a retouch. When we're working on the sides of the head, the main thing to remember is to create a diagonal back slant. We do this by applying the Super Sync 6cg a little lower above the ear and combing down a little further there as well. Mist the mid-lengths and ends generously with the Instacure spray to ensure even color pull-through. You would be surprised the number of salons I go into that are not using the Instacure spray because they don't understand the versatility of it. As you can see, I picked up 2 macro weaves, and now the fun begins. What we're doing now is essentially pre-sectioning the entire head into what we're going to make a 7cc and what we're going to make an 8cg. Still working up the head in 1-inch sections, I'm alternating 2 to 3 macro weaves per section and pulling them to either the left or right side, depending on which side is closest. Each macro weave becomes a 7cc and goes in a black clip, and everything I leave out will become an 8cg, and that goes in a pink clip. The sides are done exactly the same. The macro weaves go in the black clips, and everything left out becomes the face frame, and that goes in pink clips. Don't forget every few sections to do I do, we do, you do. Now we're going to pull the 7cc plus through all the mids and ends of everything inside a black clip. This becomes our low light. After ensuring saturation, pull the Super Sync 8cg through all the remaining mids and ends that are in the pink clips. Make sure to talk about the glide enhancing oils that have been added for easier pull-throughs and the new bonders for instant fiber protection. While your color processes, you can go through your slides and have your learners teach back all the things you taught them during your application. This technique is uncomplicated and suitable for all hair types. Whether you're creating a lived-in blonde, an expensive brunette, or a multi-dimensional red, it's time to go from basic to brilliant with Super Sync for multi-dimensional hair color.